Following breaking news in the federal trial of Milwaukee County Judge Hannah Dugan, closing arguments are set to begin within this hour. Dugan is accused of helping an undocumented immigrant evade federal immigration agents in the county courthouse back in April. 12 News' Mallory Anderson is live inside the federal courthouse downtown. Mallory, 4 witnesses took the stand for the defense this morning before they rested their case.
Yeah, Jaron, that testimony was quick, lasting less than an hour before the defense rested, kicking off closing arguments, which you mentioned will start in about 45 minutes. So this podium right here behind me is being set up in anticipation of a press conference that could happen with the key players in this trial if a verdict does come down today. One person noticeably missing from the defense's witness list, Judge Dugan herself. This is Dugan as she walked in for what could be her last day on trial. The defense says she's decided not to testify. Before closing arguments begin, 2 Milwaukee County judges, a Milwaukee public defender, and former Milwaukee Mayor Tom Barrett all took the stand this morning. The 2 judges separately described the fear and confusion at the courthouse last spring as ICE activity picked up without a formal policy in place by the court system on what to do if arrests are made in courtrooms or public hallways. One judge even described a time in the past where she saw people, quote, snatched out of her courtroom in handcuffs for non-immigration arrests, something that she said made her uneasy with the ICE activity. Former Mayor Barrett was brought in as a character witness for the defense, a lifelong friend of Dugan who described her as an extremely honest person who will tell you exactly how she feels.
And so, Mallory, closing arguments are now set to begin at 11:45.
Yeah, Jaron, once those arguments begin, they're expected to last about an hour, and then the case will be in the jury's hands for deliberations. They could come down with a decision anytime today, or this could obviously go into tomorrow and even next week.
All right, we're watching this very closely. Mallory Anderson reporting live for us this morning inside the federal courthouse in downtown Milwaukee. Mallory, thank you. Judge Dugan is charged with felony obstruction and a misdemeanor for concealing a person to prevent arrest. She's pleaded not guilty to those charges. If convicted on the felony charge, she could face up to about 6 years in prison. The man at the center of the case is no longer in the United States. The Department of Homeland Security deported Eduardo Flores Ruiz after he pleaded guilty to being in the country illegally. He was originally in Judge Dugan's courtroom back in April, facing domestic violence charges. Be sure to stay with 12 News for coverage throughout the trial. Our reporters are posting live updates from inside the courtroom on the 12 News app and on WISN.com.